Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to switch to a cash account on Robinhood. First, open Robinhood on your browser and go to the account menu in the upper right corner. From the drop-down, click Settings. On the left-hand side, select Investing. At the top, you'll see Account, then Account Type. If your current account type is margin, click it. From here, you'll have the option to switch to a cash account. Keep in mind, you can also switch between a margin account and a cash account once per day. You may also need to wait until any open trades have settled before the change is finalized. And that's it. That's how to switch to a cash account on Robinhood. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.